yours or mine?
Mine.
Yours. Okay. So mine is smaller than yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kalau gitu
It's
beliin
medium
aku yang gede
size,
juga
but I
dong.
still love it.
Bajak, gimana kalau kita tukeran aja?
I don't have a TV that's big. I cannot watch clearly. I cannot watch clearly when it's small TV.
This one is clearly too. So that's why before I buy the big one, I'm trying to watch the big one was yours. And
You
you?
can come over with my. You can come over to my house.
Oh,
Yeah.
how if I borrow yours? I
That's
bring
kind
it
of
to
a
my
bad idea.
home.
That's kind of a bad idea. No, I don't. That's that costs $1 million.
What it cost $1 million?
My TV costs $1 million.
Oh, your TV cost $1 million.
You cannot break it.